hope everything would be fine. So as I had told you, today I am unboxing SH12 headphones ordered from Flipkart. As in my first video I had told you that I had ordered my new SH12 genuine company model SH12 headphones, and I'll unbox it with you. And that video is come today. So let's get. So friends, first only I had opened it. See, tape of Flipkart is put in. Some people say that the thing is not in the box, it's empty. So that's why when the courier man was there, then only I opened. I had not unboxed it from inside, so I'll show you the box. See guys, all the details are written here. See, here is written black color. I had ordered black color. See guys, it's box. See guys, let us open it. See guys, I had ordered black headphones, but it's red color. It is also good, but I had ordered black and it came red. Nothing happens, I like this one. No problem. Now, hope we can change it. So, it's such a beautiful color, I have no issue, no problem. See guys, it is a box. QR codes are written. It's wireless with the microphone quality. See guys, now I'll tell you how to open it. So guys, let's open it. See, like this it is. At its back side, this type of structure is there. See guys, how should I show you? See, like this. It is open now. Now guys, see. Charger within it. This is the charger. Only the wire is there. No problem. See, these are headphones. Yes, we take it out. See, the buttons are there. It is soft. So soft. Like, see guys, the charger will be plugged in this button. Yes, yeah. And see, we will on it from this button, like this. See, it light will start when it will be start. It didn't open. It's like this only. We have to off it. It's off. See guys, volume up down. It's the radio quality. See, it's call quality. See, let me wear it and see it. See, this light one will be at back side. And I'm looking good. Oh guys, let me try it and then I'll tell you. Wait for a second. Guys, the sound quality is superb. It's cool. It works properly. Hit like for them. So guys, like this, we end with our video. Meet you soon. But don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you soon.